Imagine a world where architects don't need blueprints, where builders construct without tools, and where homes are crafted with nothing but instinct. Welcome to the realm of nature's animal architects, where ingenuity meets survival in the most extraordinary ways. In the vast tapestry of the natural world, there exists a group of master builders whose creations rival even the most impressive human structures. These are the animal architects of nature, creatures who have perfected the art of construction over millions of years of evolution. From the tiniest insects to soaring birds, these remarkable beings craft homes, fortresses, and entire communities using nothing but their innate skills and the materials provided by their environment. Let us begin our journey into this fascinating world by exploring three of the most iconic examples of animal architecture: bird nests, termite mounds, and beehives. Each of these structures represents a pinnacle of natural engineering, showcasing the incredible adaptability and resourcefulness of their creators. Bird nests, perhaps the most familiar of animal-made structures to many of us, come in an astonishing variety of shapes, sizes, and designs. From the intricate hanging nests of weaver birds to the massive stick platforms of eagles, these aerial abodes are marvels of avian ingenuity. Take, for instance, the nest of the tiny hummingbird. No larger than a walnut shell, these delicate structures are woven from spider silk, plant fibers, and lichen, creating a flexible yet sturdy cradle for their eggs. The use of spider silk allows the nest to expand as the chicks grow, a feat of foresight that would impress any human architect. Moving from the treetops to the ground, we encounter the colossal creations of one of nature's smallest builders, the termite. Towering structures that can reach heights of up to 30 feet are true architectural marvels. These earthen skyscrapers are not just impressive in size, they're also incredibly sophisticated in design. The interior of a termite mound is a complex network of tunnels and chambers, carefully engineered to maintain a constant temperature and humidity level for the colony within. Some species even orient their mounds to catch the morning sun and avoid the harsh afternoon heat, displaying an understanding of solar orientation that rivals human green building practices. But perhaps the most intricate and mathematically precise of all animal-made structures are beehives. These hexagonal masterpieces are a testament to the power of collective effort and instinctive geometry. The honeycomb structure of a beehive is not only beautiful, but also incredibly efficient. Using the least amount of material to create the maximum amount of storage space. The precision with which bees construct these cells is so exact that for centuries, mathematicians believed the honeycomb to be a perfect example of geometric efficiency in nature. What's truly remarkable about these animal architects is not just the structures they create, but how they create them. Unlike human builders, these creatures don't rely on plans, measurements, or tools. Instead, they use a combination of instinct, learned behavior, and sometimes even problem-solving skills to construct their homes. For example, some birds have been observed selecting building materials based on their structural properties, choosing flexible twigs for the frame of the nest and softer materials for lining. The ingenuity of these animal architects extends far beyond just birds, termites, and bees. Consider the underwater palaces of caddisfly larvae, constructed from tiny pebbles and held together with silk. Or the elaborate bowers built by male bowerbirds, not for shelter, but as part of an intricate courtship ritual. These structures, adorned with colorful objects and precisely arranged, showcase an aesthetic sense that seems almost human in its complexity. Even mammals get in on the architectural action. Beavers, often called nature's engineers, create complex systems of dams and lodges that can alter entire ecosystems. Their ability to fell trees, transport materials, and construct watertight homes is a testament to their problem-solving skills and adaptability. What can we learn from these animal architects? For one, their creations remind us of the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. Each structure, whether it's a bird's nest high in a tree or a termite mound rising from the savanna, is perfectly adapted to its environment and the needs of its creators. This harmony with nature is something human architects and engineers increasingly strive to emulate in our own buildings and cities. Moreover, the efficiency and sustainability of these natural structures offer valuable lessons for human construction. The materials used by animal architects are almost always locally sourced, biodegradable, and perfectly suited to their purpose. There's no waste, no excess, just pure, functional design. As we grapple with the challenges of sustainable development and eco-friendly architecture, we would do well to look to nature's builders for inspiration. The world of animal architecture also challenges our understanding of intelligence and creativity in the natural world. The complexity and beauty of these structures suggests levels of planning, problem-solving, and even aesthetic sense that we often associate only with human beings. It raises fascinating questions about the nature of instinct versus learned behavior, and the cognitive abilities of creatures we often underestimate. As we marvel at the skyscrapers and bridges of our own cities, it's worth remembering that we are not the only species capable of impressive feats of engineering. All around us, in forests, deserts, and even our own backyards, nature's animal architects are hard at work, creating structures that have stood the test of time far longer than any human construction. From the delicate precision of a hummingbird's nest to the monumental scale of a termite mound, these animal-made structures are a testament to the ingenuity and adaptability of life on Earth. They remind us that in the grand design of nature, every creature has its role to play, and even the smallest beings can create wonders that inspire and amaze us. So the next time you spot a bird's nest or pass by a beehive, take a moment to appreciate the skill and artistry behind these natural wonders. In the silent language of instinct and evolution, nature's animal architects continue to build, adapt, and thrive, offering us endless lessons in sustainability, efficiency, and the sheer beauty of natural design. In a world where human impact on the environment is increasingly scrutinized, perhaps it's time we took a few pages from nature's architectural playbook. By observing and learning from these master builders, we might just find the keys to creating a more harmonious and sustainable future for all inhabitants of our shared planet.